and Miss Mads, dun sa 80 na parang sabi nyo na parang
More or less
80 candidates, ilan po doon yung overseas na?
Yeah.
From overseas?
Mga 14.
1-4.
1-4. For now, it's 14. More or less.
Oo. And regarding dun sa residency, kasi parang nagkaroon ng issue ako
Yes,
sa Miss
oo.
Universe na dapat kailangan resident ng Philippines or ng
Ng isang country.
country. So, paano po iyon?
That is why we're going to have a meeting on tomorrow actually on how to deal with it.
Later.
Later actually.
Pwede po ba
Tomorrow,
ilayin namin yung pagpupunta?
Ano na?
Pwede po ba ilayin?
Hindi kasi, pero tama ka, it was released already na dapat at least 6 months of residency sa country that you are representing. So the problem now is, paano yung ating mga overseas? So kailangan pumunta na dito or they should have, I don't know what's going to happen.
Kasi last year, noong 2024, it was stated na basta may
Passport.
maka-provide ka ng
Passport.
and residency, kahit hindi ka nakatira
Yeah.
dito, pwede. This time, sabi ni Miss Universe, kailangan resident ka. May 6 months ka na residency dito sa Pilipinas. So, yun ang magiging issue natin.
Dapat may
Tomorrow.
6 months.
But we will address that immediately and we will, of course, inform everyone regarding that.
Oo.
Thank you so much.
Parang
Thank you, High Society. That came from the High Society now.